2 divided by 1 over 2, then times 2. We can easily cancel these 2 and these 2. So we have 2 divided by 1, and this is equal to 2. But this answer is not correct, because multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division, not this multiplication. Okay, let's do it. First we have to do this division, 2 divided by 1 over 2. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, which is 2 over 1. Change division to multiplication and flip the second fraction. So we can write 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, and again we have here times 2. 2 times 2 gives us 4, and the 4 times 2 equals 8. So therefore, our final answer to this problem is just 8. The correct answer is 8.